This is the week 5 update for my project in electronic product design. And this week I've done a lot of work in CAD, going from this, which was my first design, to this, which is some of the parts of the second design that I went through this week, and then this all new third design, which I also prototyped this week. And so now let's look at these actually physically and talk about the differences. So this was the first design that you saw from last week's update, where it had every single chime suspended from a center circle and then these pillars before. I eliminated the need for a power supply, so I wanted to make that get a lot smaller. I also wanted to take advantage of the chime's different heights to create something that looked more sculptural and more, I guess, like a spiral effect. So I wanted to vary the heights of the chimes. So that led me to my second design right here, where those pillars still go through the center, but they go through these little rings, which all have these little arms that extend and hold a chime. Also, the base down there is a lot smaller, so a PCB can just fit in it, and just maybe a USB port and a power plug. However, there were a few problems with this. I thought the proportions were a little bit off with like how long the arms were, and also this like suspended spoke like pattern seemed to be like kind of unstable. So then I made this third design this week. I also wanted to try out a new color with this cool transparent yellow, and I made the arms a lot longer, and the base I was trying out a square shape because the column now going through the center is this square of finger joint parts that is a lot more strong than these little rods here. And I'm now currently working out how to get the spacing between each of these arms just right, because right now it's a little bit too close. As the spiral goes around, this chime doesn't quite clear this next arm if I were to add another note. So I'm going to experiment with adding some spacers and hopefully achieve a very cool design.